got a fish here. Because we have a different kind of video today. What we're going to be doing is, I know I said I wasn't going to be doing the fishing videos anymore, but a special occasion happened because I have a subscriber here with me. Introduce yourself.
I'm Dylan.
Dylan. You want to release it? Belly flop, I like it. So we're going to be doing a little fishing today, because I don't think I've ever fished with a subscriber. Oh, there was Lucas.
Does that count?
I don't think that counts anymore. But, so, yeah. And you've been on the subscriber channel how long?
A long time.
A long time?
Very long time.
Okay. Apparently he's watched all my fishing videos. Damn it, Poe! Yeah, let's get this fishing. Oh God, he is full. Look at him. He's been eating good. Heck yeah. On the Senko. Pretty nice looking fish. I like it. I was just using the DSLR for the first time, so I gotta mess with him on the focus. Alright, for the release.
Belly flop.
Oh yeah, that's him. He's on there. Woo-hoo-hoo! Go out there. Jump, baby, jump. Oh, good Lord. Ow. Come on. Don't embarrass me on camera. There we go. Heck yes. Feels like it's been forever. So apparently this color Senko, they're loving over there. It's crazy, because I was using a darker colored one. Literally just a shade darker than this. And they weren't going for it. I switched over to a little shade lighter and had that one and then had this one. Finally got him in. Alright, so we have transitioned down here to some kayaks. And hopefully battery's at half-life. Because I'm using the GoPro. So hopefully we get some good stuff with it. But the water's up like crazy, as you can see. So, we'll see. I'm gonna make a really awkward situation for myself. I didn't mean like that. Did not mean like that. Jesus! Oh no! No! Yeah. I know. You have any hooks? Only on my channel. They're booking it. They're booking it. Those are the kind of dogs I need. Yeah. Right there. My dogs would jump in and be like, oh, nope, screw this. Jesus. Those are the people that are like, oh, he's sweet. I'm sure. Oh, I just heard little pebbles fall. Yep, time to go. Ow. Well, I got another one. Dylan's still working on it. He's hooked up on a bunch. But yeah, this is the monsters they have in here, guys. At least he didn't splash me. I'm trying to get these on camera, but these fish are just not wanting to do what I want them to do. There he is. Oh, you little turd. Ooh, there's a window. Let's see if I can do this without getting hung up. Nope.
I'm on.
You're on?
Yeah. Oh.
What?
Dude, he felt decent too.
Dang. Dang. Well, at least I got you with him on there, I think, maybe. I'm gonna get in this crap, watch. Well, I need a fish to save me. I'm on a real bad track to not fun times. If I catch one at this point, I'm going in a tree regardless. And now I'm fishing behind me. This is not okay. This is not okay. Oh God, I thought I had one. That would have been, oh, there he, oh dude, he came up and got it while I was reeling in. Backwards. Okay, you got one. Dylan got one. Hang on, I'm gonna try to get over there. So y'all can see this a little bit better. My GoPro battery is dying as we speak. Nice! Heck yeah, dude.
Look at me.
That's the biggest one of the day. Heck yeah.